All right, now let's go back to our navigation bar. There are some things we needed to modify there. Here in your navigation bar here, there is a navigation section here. We're supposed to include the social media icon here. So the social media icon is not there. So let's copy this one and go and place it there on our footer. So copy this group. However, you can also add hover effect to your social media icon. So you can take your time to do that. That's a project I'm giving you in this tutorial. So apply hover effect, and the hover effect should be circle. So the icon should be in circle under hover state. So quickly let's alt key and drag it. You can ungroup them first, the main content here, ungroup them so that you'll be able to copy only the icons and take it back to your navigation bar. So here, excuse me, take the group and place it here and make sure you centralize it in the frame. So we centered, and the spacing between them, keep it to 15. And again, this line, remember the line we have in the footer here is just 1 pixel and is about 50% opacity. So we're going to maintain consistency and do the same thing. You take this one down to 1 pixel. It's gonna be outside as well, and detach this and update the opacity to 50% as well. I think it's better now. All right, then here too, let's ungroup, then keep a little spacing between the copyrights and that. All right, that's perfect as well. Then again, here we have the copyright here. So this copyright should go to the right instead. So let's turn on our grid and see clearly what we are doing. Okay, that's perfect. So we take it up a bit, the copyright should go up a bit. So you can select the line and the copyright and give that spacing to 20. That is better. Then lastly, this text here supposed to be the body text color. So go from the fill and update to this. That's not the background, the color of it. So body text, and all this one too should be the body text. All right, they're on hero text, so we change it to body text. So remain the headers as it is, so don't change the color of the headers. All right, I think that's better now. And one more thing again, click on your sections and apply the spacing. Make sure there are gaps between the sections so that your design will not be too clustered. You should have spacing and all that so that the design will not be too jam-packed. Should have space for clear readability and all that. So also here, hello, there's supposed to be comma after hello. So you put the comma there and leave the way it is. Then here, let's come down and adjust the remaining one that is there. So here also, remember there was not about me. We have to add, there was no area of expertise. You have to add the area of expertise and also adjust the spacing as it is. So once you are done with that and everything is set, then you can now bring in your footer in the main container. So take your footer and put it inside the main container and align it properly. Make sure the snap and use the center alignment to position it So this way everything is done. So now we're going to take the content frame and the navigation frame and put it inside the main frame, and this one to the same thing. Align it and take it up. So that's it. So now let's preview the final result. So this is going to be the final result, and you can see all the hover states are working perfectly. And if you notice, they are scrolling together with the parent frame, so we don't want that. We want the navigation to stay fixed while this main content will scroll. So go back to our design and click the navigation bar, go to your prototype, and here we say stay in one place. So this way only the main section will scroll and the other part will remain fixed. Then lastly, again, if you look at our contact button, it's different from the other buttons, right? I would like us to maintain consistency. So if we had started with rounded button, we should have rounded button here as well, since we do not have rounded button in the other two buttons. So we should maintain consistency, keep this type of style in this place. So go back again and fix that, variant states and all that. Then you now update the text to book appointment. Alright, so that's it. Now we can add our properties and all that by creating another component. So we select it and create a component and add a variant property. It's going to be the hover state, and here it's going to be the second global color on our design system. The text here, we're going to update the text color to our text color. So this way we are done, and we also cut it and go and paste it in our component page. Okay, so now go back to our assets and drag it to our main design page. So here we'll come down to book appointment, that is under our contact form. Going to delete this one. First of all, remember they're in group, so ungroup it. You ungroup it first, then we'll delete only the button and replace it with our button that we just created, which is book appointment here. I'll put it somewhere around there. So this way I think everything is balanced. Select the last form field and the button and maintain the spacing to it. So that's better now. So like I said, you can also make these icons to have an overstate, over effect and all that. Then this text too is in 32, so take it down to 24. Alright, then we take this one up a bit. That's fine. Okay, we are done. So now let's take it back to the main frame and preview the final design. Going to take this to the portfolio frame, snap it, and make sure it's properly aligned. Okay, so let's preview again and see the results. So now this is the final design for our portfolio. So you can see we have the navigation bar by the left that contain all the informations, and by the right we have the portfolio, we have the section that describe about you, and you have the call to action buttons. You have the experience section, we have the project section, you have the contact section, and we have the footer. So this is one of the best and simple portfolio you should create for yourself. This way, you have some navigation here that will make them easily navigate your content. If user click on expertise, this should be directed here. Experience, this will be directed to experience. Project, this will be directed here, and others. So this way you have explained, so you have listed all the necessary informations the recruiter need, or anybody that is visiting your portfolio, they will see all the necessary information they need. So make sure you try this and publish it to your own project. Thank you.